So we've worked with folders, but we've not worked with any file. So in this particular one, we're going to learn how to create a file. And in order for us to create a file, we would want to use what we call touch. So touch is the command. So we'll say touch. Touch just means create a file. And the name of the file, assuming I want to call it, don't forget, you need to know where you're creating your file. So first of all, let me go into a particular folder inside my, I'll say DevOps new. And then I'll say touch. Later on, I'll teach you other stuff. And then I'll say maybe new file, new underscore file dot txt. And so if I do an ls, you see that the color, like I mentioned earlier on, there's a distinction between this ones. Anybody who has my kind of eye would see that this is a different color. So these two are different colors, and this is also a different color. There's a distinction between a directory and a file. So once I see this, even just by looking at the color, I should be able to tell that I'm dealing with two directories and one file. Another thing that comes with files is that most of the time, not always, most of the time, files will come with an extension. Like this is telling me that this file is a text file. And so if I go into that file, it should show me something about this file. We'll see that very soon.